ready to give your kids a head start in managing their money safely and smartly. The Natwest Rooster Card is your secret weapon for teaching financial responsibility. And here's exactly how to make it work for you. First things first, let's talk control. Open your Rooster Card and head to your child's profile. You can set a maximum daily or weekly spending limit. This is crucial for ensuring they don't overspend and learn the value of their allowance. Think of it as their personal budget, guided by you. Once you've set that limit, any transaction that would exceed it will simply be declined, teaching valuable lessons about staying within means. Next up, tracking is a breeze. In the app, you can see every single transaction your child makes in real time. This isn't about being nosy. It's about having a conversation. Did they buy that toy? Was it a worthwhile purchase? This opens up opportunities to discuss wants versus needs. You can even set up savings goals within the app. Does your child want a new game or a cool bike? They can see their progress visually, motivating them to save and make smart spending choices to reach their targets faster. And the best part, you can send instant pocket money or transfer funds directly. This means no more scrambling for cash. You're creating a safe, controlled environment for them to explore the world of money, building confidence and independence, one smart spend at a time.